We just finished the 6th garden of the urban garden project for Brianna Henry. She lives in an apartment, so we got a small space garden for her. Have a pot of beans, a long pot of greens, and we're gonna add on as we go. She also wants to grow some crimson sweet watermelons and some strawberries. If you live in an apartment, it's still easy to grow your own food. Most vegetables don't take up that much space. Grow your own food. We just finished the 7th garden of the urban garden project for Miss Caradine. She has 2 bell pepper plants, a better boy tomato plant that's already bearing fruit with purple basil surrounding it to keep the pests away. And also she has a cucumber plant. Grow your own food.